Misteryosong tunog,
Malatrompetang tunog,
Kaibang tunog
ng mga trumpeta mula sa langit.
You usually hear trumpets in concerts or bands, but now you can hear them from the sky. On June 4th, 2015, strange sounds were heard from the skies in Batangas at about 3 p.m. The trumpet-like sounds were recorded by a Netizen for about 7 to 10 minutes, which disturbed animals like birds and dogs. Some speculated that the sounds were caused by the wind, rumbling thunder, or from a power plant nearby. Others, however, took the trumpet-like sounds to be an apocalyptic sign, as mentioned in the Book of Revelations, in which 7 trumpets were sounded from the skies by angels. NASA confirmed that the strange sounds heard around the world, called tweeks, whistlers, and sferics, are the Earth's background noise, a natural radio emission. But is it really from Earth or angels?